You wake up every morning. You go to school or to work. And at the end of every day comes the evening when you just want to lie down and rest. You have worked hard and spent energy all day and you just want to recharge. And whether you like it or not, the way to do that is by sleeping. We spend a third of our lives sleeping. A good sleep makes us productive while a bad one prevents it. Not being able to sleep drives us crazy. But why do we need to sleep? What is sleep? The reason why we sleep comes with a lot of theories and not many definite answers, like many things about our brain. There are even theories that suggest we don't need to sleep at all. The null theory suggests that we chose to sleep long ago because it was safer and more efficient. Instead of going out at night and risking our lives with predators and spending energy, we sleep. But the problem is, if the null theory is true, we would have to observe some animals don't sleep at all. There are no known animals that don't need sleep. You might have heard that bullfrogs don't sleep, but instead rest. However, there is only one research on the subject with limited tests. We need more research to say that bullfrogs don't sleep. Honeybees were thought not to need sleep as well, because if they were sleep deprived, how much they slept didn't change. But they still need sleep. It was believed that dolphins don't sleep because they move continuously. This is not true. Dolphins sleep in a very unique way. Their sleep is unihemispheric, which means that while they are sleeping, one half of their brain sleeps while the other half is awake. This is so they can regularly go up to breathe. A good way to understand why we need sleep is to see what happens when we don't. Sleep deprivation for over 2 weeks in rats is fatal. Flies, cockroaches, as well as humans after a few months. Cognitive impairment is a common response to sleep deprivation. The amount of impairment is different in one task and another. Driving when sleepy is basically as dangerous as drunk driving. Even more, it is basically impossible not to sleep at all. In chronic sleep deprivation, sleep pressure increases, and a portion of the sleep, around 10%, is met inevitably due to microsleeps. Sleep is weird. It helps with memory consolidation. There are two kinds of sleep, REM and NREM. REM stands for rapid eye movement, which is the characteristic of REM sleep. REM sleep is observed in every mammal, and it is not much different from wakefulness in terms of neuron activity, especially in the forebrain. Our most memorable dreams are in the REM state. Heart rate becomes irregular in REM, just as in wakefulness. More insane is a research explaining that REM deprivation can actually reduce depression. NREM sleep is closer to our understanding of sleep. Slow brain waves occur in NREM sleep. It prevents metabolic harm because almost no cells work as they work while awake. In REM, this doesn't occur. Why we sleep is a tricky question. Decreased energy demands make sense because after spending energy all day, saving energy for the next day when food is scarce is necessary. The problem is that NREM sleep decreases the activity of cortical regions and REM activates it. We have to get sleep. There is no way around it for now. Have a good day, and maybe get some sleep.